In this video, I'll show you how to get money back on Cash App from an Apple purchase, and I'll walk you through the two methods you can try to request a refund. Not every Apple transaction is eligible for a refund, but it's still worth going through both steps because sometimes Cash App or Apple will approve the request, depending on the situation. First, open Cash App on your device and go to the Activity tab, which you'll find right on the home screen. This section displays a full timeline of all your payments, transfers, and purchases, including the Apple charge you want to refund. Tap on that specific Apple transaction to open the detailed view. Once you're on the transaction page, look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. If Cash App allows refunds for that particular purchase, a refund option will appear in the menu. Simply tap Refund, follow the prompts, and Cash App will submit that request for you automatically. If the refund button does not appear inside Cash App, then the next option is to request the refund directly from Apple. To do this, open your browser and go to Apple's official problem reporting page by searching for the Apple Report Problem website. Sign in using your Apple ID, and once you're logged in, select the option that says you'd like to request a refund. You'll be asked to choose the specific purchase you're having an issue with and explain the reason you're asking for a refund. Fill out the information honestly and submit your request so Apple can review it. After you submit the refund request through either Cash App or Apple's website, you'll need to wait for a response. Apple or Cash App may contact you by email if they approve the refund or if they need additional information. Once approved, the money will be returned to your Cash App balance or your linked payment method.